Boom, boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J. Welcome to the Dash and the X channel. And today we're going to be doing... What part is this? Part 5? Part 4? Yeah, man, I totally forgot. I think it's part 5. Grand Theft Auto Definitive Edition Part 3, yeah. I mean, so far so good, man. I mean, got a couple glitches here and there, but I'm still enjoying the game. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. And if you're a first time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated, man. Much appreciated. Hit that like button. Much appreciated. Yeah, stamp that like button. Yeah, so we're just gonna continue where we left up. Oh, you know what? Let's do some Salvatore missions, man. Word up. Let's do some Salvatore missions. And do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _Dash_X. I don't even know the name of this car. What kind of car this is? Let me see what the name of this car is. Hold on. It's called a perennial. It's a perennial. Maybe GTA 5. I wonder if they got that in GTA 5, the perennial. Salvatore.
We should take these
Bomb
Colombian
the
bastards
base.
out, but while we're at war with the triads, we ain't strong enough. The cartel has got bottomless funds from pushing that spank crap. If we make an open attack on them, they'll wipe the floor with us. They must be making spank on that big boat that Curly led you to. So we gotta use our heads, or rather one head, your head. I'm asking you to destroy that spank factory as a personal favor to me, Salvatore Leone. If you do this for me, you will be a made man. Anything you want. Go and see 8-Ball. You'll need his expertise to blow up that boat.
You'll be a made man. All right, let's see where we're gonna blow that boat up. Blow the boat up. Okay. Want me to blow it out to sea, right? Blow it out to sea. Yeah, so sometimes a day or two may go by when I don't do any videos because I have a job, you know what I'm saying? I have to work. And YouTube ain't paying me right now, so I gotta go get my money. Okay, bomb the base, Act 1.
Yo, my man. Salvatore phoned ahead, but a job like this is gonna need a lot of fireworks. I'll need $100,000 to cover expenses. But you know, with me, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Come back, brother, when you have the money.
Come back when I have the money. What you mean when I have the money? How much money I need? I got the money, bro.
Okay, let's do this then. I can set this baby to detonate, but I still can't use a piece with these hands. Here, this rifle should help you pop some heads.
Maybe that's why hold LT to target the sniper rifle. Okay. Use L to zoom. Okay. Yeah, I know that part. Yo, man, get in the front seat, man. This ain't no Uber, man. This ain't no fucking Uber, bro. Look at him. So maybe that's why my channel is not growing, man, because I'm not very consistent at the moment because of my job. I can't be doing like consistent videos, you know? So forgive me for my inconsistency at times, man, but like I say, man, gotta pay bills, gotta work. But when it comes to this channel, if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I mean, I just like making videos, man. You know, don't care if it. I mean, if it works out, that would be nice. But if it don't work out, I ain't gonna cry about it. I have a job.
Then I'll head in when you fire the first shot.
Got a good one too. Good job. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Kill these fools. Yo, didn't we do a mission like this on Grand Theft Auto 5 when we went to the shipyard? I could recall we did a mission like this on GTA 5. I think it's the same place right here too. Where do you want me to go? Up here? Can't go that way. Where the fuck you want me to go? Let me walk here. I wonder if I could go up there. Let's see if I could. Oh no, man. I don't see no advantage points. I gotta climb up here. Is he talking about here? Oh. It's gotta be here. Alright, let me see. Shoot these drums. I shouldn't even do nobody nothing. Look at that. Waste of time. Mission failed. 8 balls iced. I don't even know where the fuck 8 ball is, man. Oh, come on. Gotta do this all over again. I gotta keep an eye. Gotta keep an eye on him. See where the fuck he's See where the fuck he's going because apparently I missed him. I don't know where the hell he was. Okay, let's see what's going on here,
Get a
man.
good vantage point, then I'll head in when you fire the first shot.
Okay, you'll head in when I fire the first shot. I want to see where you're going, though. Siganda. All right, go ahead, man. We'll see where you're going. So you're going right here. Okay, cool. So you're going to be standing right there. I'll watch you. All right. Let me go up on the top one. I wonder if I could stay right there where I was instead of coming on the roof. After I fire the first shot, right? So let's get rid of these guys first. See if I could take his head clean off. Oh, hold up, let me see. Clean off. That shit came. His head came right off his body. Okay, he's going there. Okay, he's right there. Y'all chill out. Y'all chill out. Oh, he died? Who killed him, man? Come on. Hey. And why I gotta come all the way and drive all the way every time, man? Damn. I know I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start from the steps. I'm gonna start from the steps and just start shooting all the way up. So I'm gonna like shoot way before he gets there. That's what I need to do instead of waiting for him to run up and shoot. I'm just gonna start shooting, hoping I kill everybody before he even gets on the boat. Come on. I was trying to take it on the sidewalk. Hey, I hope I get it done this time. I don't wanna. I just don't wanna do this shit again.
Get a good vantage point, then I'll head in when you fire the first shot.
So get rid of these two first at the steps. I gotta shoot real quick. I have to shoot real quick. I wanted to do a video with GTA 4 modded, a modded GTA 4, but Rockstar took that shit down. You can't even mod it no more. They took the modding down. So we can't even mod GTA 4 no more. Okay, let's do this thing quick. Because he's going to start running the minute I shoot. One. One is dead. Two. Get up here quick. Two. One right there. Three. Shoot that one right there. Four. Shoot that one right here. Come on, man. Get him. Five. Come on, man. Get him. Six. Seven. Okay. 8. 9, 10. Oh, that one ain't dead? Oh, come on. Come on. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him. Come on, get him, get him. This thing is so sensitive. I can't even move it. Motherfucker. Is there any more? I don't think so. Look how he's running. His running is funny. That shit, a motherfucker look like a roach. At last. Finally. I just got 150,000. So I'll keep this gun. What's this? That's my rifle. That's my shotgun. This is my flamethrower. I remember back in the days, man, I used to love driving this pickup truck. I hope by the time I get to San Andreas, Rockstar will already drop the patch. So at least when I play San Andreas, it's all patched up. Oh, so I think Rockstar's supposed to drop a... They're supposed to drop a patch soon. Can't wait, man. Don Salvatore, I'm here, man. What's up? What's up? Give me some more work. Last requests. I hope it...
My favorite cleaner. I'm proud of you, my boy. You kicked the shit out of those grease balls. I just got one little job for you before we can all celebrate. There's a car around the block from Luigi's club. The inside is covered in brains. We had to help some guy make up his mind, and it proved a little messy. Take it to the crusher before the cops find it.
Yeah. I don't think it's as easy as you make it sound. Let me go. Yo, get out the road, man. This is Maria. The car's trap. Meet me at the South Callahan Bridge. Okay. I don't know where to go. I see I'm gonna go to South Callahan Bridge and see what's up.
Listen, Salvatore thinks that we're going behind his back, so he was offering you to the cartel in order to make a deal. I couldn't let him do that. I mean, the worst thing is, it's all my fault because I told him we were an item. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Look, you're a marked man on the Mafia turf, and I've got to get out of here, too. I've seen too much killing, too much blood. Look, this is a friend of mine, okay? She's an old friend. It's so good. She's someone we could trust.
Come on, enough of the speeches. We better get out of here before we get more hysterical Italians wanting less friendly reunions.
Where am I going now, huh? Going this way? Oh, I'm going down right there. Damn, man, why the fuck this boat so hard to turn? Jesus. Look at this shit. Shit will not turn. Me and my bitches.
Asuka and I are gonna have to talk. Why don't you go cruise around?
You'll need a place to lie low. There's a warehouse at the edge of Belleville that should suit your needs. Come back here to my condo when you're ready, and you and me can have a little chat.
I wonder if they're having like a lesbian affair. Marked man unlocked. Oh, look at this car right here. Yeah, this shit fast too. Hell yeah. Great rates paid for new and used emergency vehicles. Bring them to the crane in the northeast of Portland Harbor. Okay. Portland Harbor, northeast. Wherever that crane is, I don't know. It's either, I don't know if this is somewhere around here. It's around the harbor. Wherever that is. Alright, let's go see what kind of job they got for us.
We have certain issues to clear up before we continue any form of relationship, business or otherwise. Let's lay our cards on the table. I am Yakuza, and I know you worked for Salvatore Leone's family. I can give you work with our organization, but first you must prove to me that your ties with the Mafia are truly broken. Salvatore Leone will be leaving Luigi's in about 3 hours' time. Make sure he doesn't reach his club alive. Meanwhile, Maria and I will catch up on old times.
Uh-oh, I told you.
You've got a massager.
That's not a massager.
That's a dildo, girl. Yeah, so they're having a lesbian affair right there. I never picked up on it when I played it back in the days. How I get back over there? Let me see if I could drive back over there or I gotta take a boat back over there. So I could take a boat back over there. Let's see if you show me a waypoint. So where's that waypoint it's supposed to show me? Okay, I gotta make a left right here. Oh, sorry, man. I wasn't even looking. I was trying to find a bridge. Yeah, I wish these guys would stop shooting at me, man. I'm not welcome over here anymore, huh? Alright, so let me go get a real good vehicle. Salvatore is right here. Let me go get a real good vehicle first. Like when I want something like this. Like this truck right here, yeah. Let me get this work truck, bro.
News just in from the traffic desk. Repairs to the Callahan Bridge have been completed. Since the explosion, engineers have been working around the clock to get traffic flowing between Portland and Staunton Island once again.
I'm gonna get you.
Salvatore. And it's, damn, you got a lot of people with him. Look. Oh, you say waste him? You have been spotted. I must if I could kill him right here. Oh, what the hell did they use to kill me there? Yeah, skip all that, man. I need me a truck. I wonder if I'll use this. Let me try this big truck right here. Come on, get out of the way. say if you hang around the club, they'll spot you. So maybe I shouldn't be spotted, huh? Yo, when are gonna start the mission, man? What the fuck? I'm right here. Yeah, you know what? I should just wait. Can't attack them so early. Gotta let them drive off. So let me see where they're gonna go. Alright, you know what? Let me go turn this truck around. Let me go turn this truck around, yeah. Turn this big boy around. That's a convoy right there. I wait till the convoy leaves. There go the convoy. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's time to attack, baby. Get him. Get him, get him. There you go. Oh, you went down here? Oh, the fuck he went down here? Don't tell me he's gonna drive up back. Fuck that, man. Where my gun at? Come on, give me my gun. Fuck out of here, man. Jump back in my truck, yo. Got that. I got Salvatore. That's all that matters. Watch it, people. Watch it. Watch it. I forget this. I need to get into a. I need to get in a vehicle, yeah. Sorry, man. All right. So we killed Salvatore. So we gotta head across the bridge now. There's no more mission over here, right? Yeah, we could head across the bridge, go work for the Yakuza. Oh, let me get one of these girls to get my energy up. Hey, baby. What's up, darling? All right, get in here, girl. Get in here. There we go. go get my energy up. Oh, I guess this is not a good place. Man. Come on, girl. Do your job, man. I'm right here. What the hell? How more discreet can it get than here? This is crazy. These are some shy ladies here. Scary ass. Alright, you know what? Let me get away from this area because I don't know what's up with this girl. There we go. Get my energy up. Hold up. Every stroke, my money go down. Look, once, like she charging me by the stroke. 53. See, money going down too. Damn, this girl charged me for every stroke. All right. Damn, she expensive. She charged me for every stroke. Oh, you know what? Let me cross the bridge. So I'm working for the Yakuza now, so they ain't supposed to be shooting at me no more. But the Italians will. King Courtney would like a word. Get to the payphone. I can't even see that word. Asparsha? We're moving on up in the world. I want us to go see the apartment they gave us. See what that apartment is like. Where's the apartment? Oh. Okay, so you gotta take an elevator to get in the new apartment. Okay. Move. With his phone mission. Bling bling scramble.
This is King Courtney. Me yada posse could do with them rude boy driver and
Man, that ain't no Jamaican talk like that, man. What the fuck? And weed for the other. Jamaicans don't talk like that. Sound like
First
Trinidadian.
driver to a checkpoint gets the bling bling. Then it's on to the next stop. If you get more checkpoints than any other driver, I can have me a little work for you.
Hey, listen here, Rockstar. Next time y'all need a Jamaican voice in y'all games, call Jamaican J, man. Because that don't sound nothing like a Jamaican. That's an embarrassment. Word up. That's not Jamaican, bro. Why don't y'all just pay a real Jamaican, huh? Shit. Instead of trying to pay somebody trying to sound like Jamaican. Sound whack as hell. Okay, let me see. What they want me to do here. Prepare to race. Oh, I got a race. This car that I got can't race. Where am I going? Where's the race going? Why am I turned this? Yo, this game is stupid. Why am I turned this way if they're going that way? I got the wrong car for this race. This car is not moving fast enough for me. I think it's like a scramble, huh? Yeah, this is a scramble. You got that one already. Yo, get out of here, man. Jesus. Get out of here, man. Oh, I can't go through here? Damn. Thought that was a shortcut. That's a nice car right there. I should have took that car. I think the rain looks better on PC than it does on the consoles. Alright, come on, man. Where am I going? I don't think I'm going the right way, yo. Get out the fuck. Why are you turning into me, man? Fuck out of here. I can't catch a fucking break, man. I'm telling you. Can't catch a break. Yo, who this, man? Fuck out of here, man. Fuck out of here, bro. Where are you going, man? Damn. So I did do the mission. Say mission passed. Oh, yeah. Now the rain looks stupid. Can't believe I died. Alright. Look at that. That truck weren't running through the wall right there. How do I get out of here? Everybody and their mama shooting at me. That's crazy. I think I'll keep this little truck. Store it right there. In my new apartment. Working for the Yakuza now. Yeah, but this is where we're going to leave the video for today. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers. Again, to all my viewers. First time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And all my subscribers, please hit that like button. It's much appreciated. You know what I'm saying? Only if you want to, man. You know? What the fuck? You know? Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J__X. Yeah. And oh, let me go up in my apartment. Yeah, but thanks for watching again. Let me save my game. Yes, save. God bless. One.